I guys to receive these LED downlights for repair purposes, and I think they are quite nice. It's a set of 8, as you can see. They're really easy to install. You just press them and install like this. So get it like this, springs, put it into the wall, and it will adjust it, and this is still connected to the energy. Okay, in here we got the product pyramids and how to connect it, which is really nice. I think they're nice. They're small, but I've seen that they are very potent. So let's go and install them all on the roof and see how they look. Okay, so as you can see, now they are both ready. They look really nice. They were really easy to install them. Obviously, I'm gonna need to patch this up, but the lights are there. They're ready. It's easily to install. They're very bright, and I would recommend it. See ya.